How to file 1099-B form in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Form 1099-B reports the sale of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. If you want to enter or import your 1099-B in TurboTax, you want to open or continue your return, now navigate to 1099-B section. For this, click on the search icon. Now type 1099-B and search for that. Then select Jump to Link. Follow the on-screen instructions. When you reach Let's import your tax info, choose how you want to enter your 1099-B. To import your B form, select your brokerage or financial institution from the list. Enter your sign-in credentials, then select Get My Form. If you want to enter your 1099-B manually, select Enter a different way, then select your investment type on the next screen. On the following screen, answer the questions about 1099-B. When you reach the Review Your Sales section, the form you just entered should be listed. If you need to add another 1099-B, select Add Investments. Otherwise, click on Continue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.